Yeah.
It's going in there. It's not going into the steam space. It's going into the furnace.
Okay.
And when it gets, if it's cold, it says, don't let it go to high fire. Once the boiler's been warmed up and reaches some minimum amount, whatever this is set for, and the brickwork and everything, when it's warm, this thing says it's okay to go to high fire if you need it.
Okay.
So when we come to a cold, like the boiler's warm, but it's calling, oh, it's 0 pounds. It'll fire up
Because
and go right to
basically,
high fire.
it's bad for a boiler to be fired too high when it's too cold.
Yeah, you don't wanna
And
wreck
if
your
it's too
factory.
hot,
You're just too hot, don't worry about it.
yeah.
Just fire and brickwork.
Right.
But see, like when this came back on because of steam load, it was down. It fired itself up and it went right to high fire. It reached 7 pounds. This thing said high.
Right.
This is allowing it. This is what's called a limit. Low temperature limit. If it's too cold in the furnace, it won't allow that to open.
Okay, perfect. So, at 14, because 15 is the maximum here, right? At 15, this would cut out completely.
It needs to be reset.
And you have to push these resets all over to get it going again.
Something has screwed up.
Correct, yeah, something went wrong. This is safety.
Yeah.
This here is for control, essentially, only on automatic. 14 pounds. If it drops below 14 pounds, or actually once it hits 14 pounds, it cuts the fire, right? Turns it off.
Yeah, turns it off.
4 is the differential, so once it drops below 10, the fire comes back on at low. If it goes below 7,
Calls for high.
it calls for high. Correct.
And when it calls for high, this won't allow it if it's cold.
If
But-
it's too cold, this is the safety device. This is the operating and high safety device.
because it's got this,
Pressure, temperature, right?
yeah.
Essentially,
Because
right?
it's got this, a building operator can come, put it to auto, start it, and it's not going to hurt itself because this thing here won't let it.
Correct. And then the purge is 1 minute on this boiler.
So, recapping, high pressure cutout.
Yep.
This you can call a pressure control,
Right.
because it says when to turn off the
High
fire
limit, yeah.
and when to bring it back on.
When to bring
So
it back
this is
on.
your pressure
This is
control.
at 10.
And this is a
This is
high-low.
This is the firing controller, basically. Yeah.
They're both pressure controls, but this one it senses the pressure and tells it high-low.
Yeah.
Right?
Right, exactly. Which is this
So
high
firing
low.
rate control.
Firing rate, yeah. This is the rate.
This is
This is
just
the
an on-off switch.
limit, yeah, on-off switch. And then this one is okay.
Does that make
perfect.
sense?
Yep.